What is hard to achieve during an era of warfare? All right, so this is where we begin to play politics, or at least give you a lecture of politics. And all of, like, we'll say, like the last 10, 15 videos, I've just been giving you um, key events, historic events in the Middle East, about warfares, about governments, about we say irregular warfare, third parties, how superpowers. Okay, here is where I'm going to give you less historic facts, and we're going to begin to discuss political perspectives. All right, so here the first question is, what is hard to achieve during an era of warfare? All right, so peace. All right. War is easily practiced. All right. Anybody can go ahead and throw a rock. Anybody can go ahead, push a button, deploy missiles, um, hand out threats, write death notes, promote warfare. That's easily done. Okay. Now, peace is hard to achieve during an era of warfare. So once actual warfare breaks out, right, one of the hardest things to achieve is peace. When both hostile sides come down and they come to a ceasefire or an agreement, or to just an overall peace, like, stop, like, no more warfare, right? Warfare is easily practiced. Peace is hard to achieve during an era of warfare, right? So now let's discuss a little bit more about two sides here, right? So you have those that kind of are not for peace. They're just for winning the war. No, we need to win the war. We have to go wipe out all these. We have to wipe out the enemy, right? And vice versa. On the other end, they have people just exactly saying the exact same thing. On the opposing sides, you have, no, let's increase the warfare. We're gonna keep invading. We're gonna keep destroying until we win the war, right? Now, eventually, usually what happens is a third party has to come and cool tensions down between two hostile parties, and say, hey, look, listen, war is only leading to war, which is leading to more violence, and violence is just leading to more violence and more disruption and more damages to natural resources, and just you're just destroying your economy. So because you need workers and you need natural resources for a growing, stable, developing economy. All right. Now, peace, right? Now, this third party, and even on hostile sides, you still have politicians that promote peace. Hey, let's come sit down at a table. Let's come to an agreement where we can cease fire because we're losing a lot of men. Warfare is expensive, and so forth and so on, right? So that's basically what's going on there, right? So on both ends, right, you have those that are pro warfare and those that are pro peace, right? Warfare is easily practiced. Peace is hard to achieve during an era of warfare.